In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks by phone. Whether you're dealing with sales inquiries or need support, having direct communication with QuickBooks can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into the process to make sure you get the help you need efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks contact page. This crucial step ensures that you are accessing the correct platform dedicated to either their sales team or technical support, and can be reached through their website dedicated to QuickBooks Enterprise. As you arrive on their contact page, you'll be greeted with several options that cater to your specific needs, be it a sales query or any technical concerns. Once you are on the page, take a moment to thoroughly fill out the necessary details as prompted. This will typically involve providing your name, your company name, if applicable, and a valid contact method, such as your phone number or email address. The information you provide here is vital for them to offer you the most accurate and speedy assistance possible. Double check your contact details, ensuring their accuracy allows QuickBooks to reach out to you without any hitches. After you've meticulously filled in your details, look for the Contact Me button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will seamlessly initiate the communication process. This action signals to QuickBooks that you're ready for them to reach out, typically through the contact method you provided. It's worth noting that this button helps create a direct line for support, ensuring your queries land in the right hands swiftly. Furthermore, QuickBooks also provides direct phone numbers you might find handy depending on your specific needs. For sales inquiries, you can dial 1-800-450-8469. Their team is available to assist you from Monday through Friday between the hours of 6 AM to 4 PM Pacific Time. If you have questions related to support, feel free to reach out at 800-4-INTUIT, and for any learning resources or further support, you can contact them at 1-800-264-1981. When you decide to call, ensure you have all relevant information readily available. This might include any previous correspondence, your QuickBooks account details, or specific issues you are experiencing. Having this information at your fingertips can significantly streamline the process, allowing the QuickBooks representative to assist you more effectively. In summary, whether through their webpage or direct phone call, contacting QuickBooks is a straightforward process that ensures you receive the precise assistance tailored to your needs. So the next time you're in need of sales information or support, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any additional questions or need further clarification.